We will wait for the shuttle bus in front of the Her Royal Highness Princess Kalayaniwattana Memorial Building at R17 bus stop. Take the red shuttle bus line. When you see the building of the Faculty of Associated Medical Sciences, it means you're really close to the medical students' dormitory. Press the stop request bell after passing the traffic light. You must press the bell to notice the driver which stop you will get off. Here we are! The bus will park at the opposite of the Faculty of Nursing. Right after you got off of the bus, turn left. Keep going straight. And when you notice this sign, turn right. Then go straight and turn right again. The medical students' dormitory that we're looking for is on our right. Walk out of the dorm and turn left. Cross the road to wait for the shuttle bus at the stop sign in front of the Faculty of Nursing. Wait, we're gonna do a quick stop at the medical students' dormitory cafeteria for a moment. There is Rusicity Coffee Shop along with the food and beverages. Here is the connecting gate between the medical students' dormitory and the cafeteria. Let's get back to waiting at the bus stop. Now, we will take the yellow line. On the way, we will pass by the Nong Wang Food Center. This place also has a lot of food and beverages. We will pass by the Faculty of Dentistry. Suddenly, when you see the SMC building, prepare yourself to ring the bell. Once you get off, take your first left. If you see the Y15 bus stop, it means you came the correct way. We're gonna start by going straight right to the Her Royal Highness Princess Kalayaniwattana Memorial Building. Along the way, we will pass by the Her Royal Highness Princess Kalayaniwattana Memorial Building food court. Just keep going straight, and straight. Then turn left. Here we are. Now we are already around the hospital area. Our starting point is in front of Meter Cafe. Take this left and go straight. Go! Walk past the facilities unit and keep going straight. Take a right to enter the Faculty of Pharmacy. Turn left to enter the canteen of the Faculty of Pharmacy. At this point, they have 3 ways to return to the medical students' dormitory.
Option 1. Turn left and walk toward the Faculty of Associated Medical Sciences. Option 2. Turn right and walk toward the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. Option 3, a shortcut, which we will take you through today.
Then, cross the road to the opposite side of road. After you have crossed, turn left and go straight. Turn right to enter the area of Faculty of Pharmacy. Just keep going straight, straight, and straight. If you see the bus stop, that means you're on the right track. We're gonna cross the road. Keep going straight. The medical students' dormitory will be on your right hand.